Hi, I'm Tanya, and this is a TEMU Christmas haul. Thank you to TEMU for sponsoring this video. Download the TEMU app through my link in the description box for more perks. You can shop all the products shown via the link in the description box below. TEMU offers free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. I will be showing you 11 items in this Christmas haul, and then I will be doing a tutorial. The first item is this gnome. And this one is a sequin light gray. And this one lights up. So we need 3 AAA batteries. It's so cute. On the camera, the light is showing up yellow, but it is indeed a white light. The price for this gnome, $4.94 US, or $9.99 Canadian. The next item I'm going to show you is a baby's outfit. This is so cute. Got the little bell-bottom pants, along with a bodysuit. It says Santa Baby, and a hat. The material is like a crushed velvet, and it's really good material. The price for this one, $10.57 US, or $16.59 Canadian. The next item is a sliding gift wrap cutter. And you can see it's got the cutter right there. And the price for this one, $1.21 US, or $2.09 Canadian. And I'm going to try this out with some wrapping paper, which is the next item I wanted to show you. This was a 52-foot roll. If you can see all the gifts that I have already wrapped behind me, you can see this was a really big roll. The price for this is $10.79 US, or $20.99 Canadian. I want to show you how this works. So you would measure your paper with a gift. I'm going to do it without. And you want to slide it right in to where the blade is. And you're going to pull it. And the paper is a nice thick quality. This is 100 pieces of red berries. And they are on a little wire. The price for these, $2.28 US, or $3.49 Canadian. The next item is a 16-piece ornament set. We have one that has snow inside. Then we have these two, which are the same design, but a different finish. This one has assorted trees, and it's sparkly and white on the bottom. And this is the last design, snowflakes. The price for this set, $8.48 US, or $17.69 Canadian. Next, I have a 4-piece ornament set. These ones are silver. Ooh, these are very pretty. They have little pearls on there, sequins and glitter. And the price for this was $5.48 US, or $9.29 Canadian. I have another 4-piece set. This time they are white. I love them. And this set again was $5.48 US, or $8.99 Canadian. Next, I have a 24-piece mini ornaments. This one has 3 styles. The price for these, $2.69 US, or $5.49 Canadian. This is item number 10, and this is going to be a flameless, flickering LED candle set. So we've got some instructions, a remote, it looks like glass, but it's feeling like a hard plastic. So there's 2 that are 5 inches tall, 6 inches, 7 inches, and 8 inches. These candles require 2 AA batteries. I love it. Not sure if you can see the flickering. This is so much better than lighting the real candles and getting like a black soot on your walls. And for the remote, it comes with a little tab. You want to pull that out, and you could turn them off or on. The remote also includes a timer for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. You can also adjust whether you want it brighter or dimmer. You can have it flickering or not flickering. The price for this candle set is $18.88 US or $31.09 Canadian. The last item I'm going to show you is an 18-inch snow-flocked wreath. It did not arrive looking like this. I had to fluff it up, which is easy. You just simply move your branches. The price for this wreath was $12.59 US or $22.49 Canadian. I will be placing my wreath on a charger plate, and I'm going to be adding some decorations and make this into a centerpiece. The first item I'm going to add are the red berries. And I'm going to be using 3 of them like this to create a cluster. I'm just going to twist them around each other at the top. Now I've created a little cluster. So I'm going to add it to a branch just by placing it on the branch and wrapping the wire around one of the pine branches. So it will look like this. I added 4 clusters of the berries. I'm going to add some of these white ornaments. And I don't want to make this centerpiece be permanent. So if I want to take it apart and do something different with the ornaments or the wreath, I can. So I'm just going to add it by placing the string over a branch. Bend that branch down. I'm just going to kind of nestle it in the branches. It looks like a snowball. I added 1 more of the white ornaments. And I'm going to add 2 of the silver ornaments. So now it has 4 of those beautiful sparkly ornaments. Next, I'm going to add some of these silver ornaments. I'm going to get 1 of each style. I'm just going to take the 3 strings and place it over a branch. Bend that branch back. Kind of fool around with them until you've achieved a little cluster like that. So we have 1 cluster there and 1 more cluster right there. I'm going to add 2 of these snowflakes. And I'm also going to add 2 of these that have the white sparkly bottoms. And I'm going to add them the same way as the other ornaments, just using the string over the pine branches. I've added the first one, and now I will add 3 more. If you want this to be permanent, you can glue it all in. The last step that I'm going to do is add the candles to the center. This is another reason why I did it on a charger plate. You can move your centerpiece wherever you would like. I love it.